So 12th commerce, we are to practice the output questions. Okay, so this is the output question based on the function concept. Here I will make the working notes, and offline class and online class, open a rough notebook and practice the working notes with me. Right now, here we start from the main function, from where we have called the function. The string has been given, and string is student, S small, T and U capital, D E small and T capital. This is the given string, right? Now we have passed this string as actual parameter and send to the formal parameter myStr. MyStr now contains the value this. This is the string. Okay, this is the string, right? Now here one more variable is there with the name new str, and it is empty string. It is empty string, right? Count is 0 for I in myStr. I in myStr means I first of all is S, then T, then U, then D, then E, then E. This entire is I. One by one, each letter will be I. Okay? Count is 0. Let's start. If count modulus 2 not equal to 0, count की फर्स्ट वैल्यू 0 है, 0 को 2 से मॉडुलस करो, और अगर वो 0 ना आए, then condition is true. But 0 modulus 2 is 0. 0 modulus 2 is 0. So condition fails. If condition fails, we come to the else part. Now in the else part, we are checking whether our character is in lowercase or not. S is in lowercase. Yes, condition is true. This condition gets true. So statement is this: new str is empty string. इसके साथ concatenate करो I dot upper. What is I? Small s. उसको upper में convert करके empty string के साथ concatenate करो. Concatenation means joining two strings together. तो ये क्या बन गया? S. ये क्या बन गया? S. Okay? Plus sign, when used with the string, it joins the string. It performs the concatenation operation. Am I clear, online class? Bhavneet, Ruchika, Anushka? Am I clear with the concept here? All right. Moving further, count is incremented. Now count becomes 1. Count was 0. Now count has been incremented and count becomes 1. This statement is not in the loop. इसकी indentation देखो, loop के बाहर है. Count 1 हो गया, दोबारा ऊपर गए for loop में. I in myStr. What is I this time? T. I is T. Count is 1. 1 modulus 2 is not equal to 0. Condition true. 1 modulus 2 0 के बराबर नहीं होता, हमारी कंडीशन ट्रू हो गई, तो ये वाली स्टेटमेंट एग्जीक्यूट होगी. व्हाट इज काउंट? 1. 1 को स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट कर दो. 1 इज इन न्यूमेरिक फॉर्म. बेटा ये जो 1 है ये अभी न्यूमेरिक फॉर्म में है, इसको हमने स्ट्रिंग फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करना है, आई हैव यूज्ड स्ट्रिंग फंक्शन टू कन्वर्ट द न्यूमेरिक डाटा इनटू स्ट्रिंग, सो वन बिकम्स ऑफ string type. Okay, it is to be concatenated with new str. What is new str? S. What is new str now? S. Okay, so S concatenate with 1, it becomes S1. Online class, to those students I am clear, raise your thumb immediately. Bhavneet, keep total focus on the attendance also. Whose thumb is up and who is not? Gaurav, Jagraj, Anshita, Sanvinder, thumbs are not up. Sukhmani, Maulik, Akriti, Vidisha, Jatin. All right. Moving further, count becomes 2. And what is I? I is now U. I is U. Okay. If count modulus 2 is not equal to 0, 2 modulus 2 is not equal to 0, condition fail. It comes here. It comes here. If is lower. If is lower. क्या U lower में है? नहीं. तो इधर आइए. New str. What is new str? S1. Every time new str variable get updated, आप जो भी ऑपरेशन चला रहे हो, new str हर बार अपडेट हो रहा है. new str पहले क्या था? S1. अब new str के साथ क्या हुआ concatenate? ये वाली कंडीशन. I. What is I? U. I is U. So S1 get concatenate with U. It becomes S1 U. This string is the final output. This green color string is the final output. This is the processing. Now what is the new string right now? S1 U. अब देखते हैं यहां पे क्या होगा concatenate. S1 U is the updated string up till now. Question mark means let us see what will get attached with it now. Now what is count? 3. 3 modulus 2 not equal to 0. Condition true. Okay, come here. What is the value of count? 3. 3 को हमने किस में convert किया? String में. And we concatenate it with new str. What is new str? S1U. It get concatenate with 3. So what is the new string? S1U3. I hope question is going into your brain. All right. Moving further, count becomes 4. What is I? What was I? D पे तो 3 आ गया ना अब. Now I is E. Now I is E. Okay. Okay. Count is 4. I is E. I in my str. I is E. क्या E string में है? Yes. अच्छा, what is in operator? ये क्या कर रहा है? In operator is a membership operator. It is checking whether the character is in the string or not. I E है. क्या E आपकी string में है? अगर है तो for loop true है. E is there. ये देखो string मारी. E is there. Okay. 4 modulus 2 not equal to 0. False. Come on this else. Is E in lowercase? Yes. What we are to do? Convert in uppercase and concatenate with new str. So what is new str? S1U3. इसके साथ हो गया concatenate capital E. So it becomes this. Right? In this stage, the final string which get updated is S1U3E. Let us see in the next stage what will come. Now count is 5. And what is I? N. Count is 5. I is N. Okay. So moving further, I in my str, N in my str. Condition true. 5 modulus 2 0. Condition true. Okay. So count की वैल्यू 5 है, उसको स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट करो, इट बिकम्स, हाँ जी, 5. So new str will become S1U3E5. Okay. Okay. What is count now? 6. And what is I? T. I in my str, T in string. Yes. Count 6 modulus 2 0 होता है. Yes. Condition fails. आ जाइए इधर. क्या वो लोअर है? नहीं. तो इस वाले एल्स पे आइए. न्यू स्ट्रिंग कौन सी है? S1U3E5. उसके साथ क्या करना है? कंकैटिनेट T. तो यहां पे आ गया T. Right? Am I clear? Any doubt? Any doubt? All right. Now I is nothing. I khatam ho gaya. I is finished because no more character is left. No more character is left. So for loop fails. Now we come to this statement. What is new str? This is new str. Anybody can tell me what will get concatenate here? ये हमारी नई स्ट्रिंग है, इसके साथ ये concatenate होना है. What is the value of my str? My str की वैल्यू क्या है? ये :1. बिगिनिंग नहीं दिया हुआ, एंडिंग दिया हुआ है. अगर बिगिनिंग नहीं दिया, from where it starts? From the very first character. This is S is at 0, T at 1, U at 2, D at 3. कहां तक जाना है? 1 तक. अपर लिमिट इंक्लूड होती है? जब स्लाइस दिया हो अपर लिमिट इंक्लूड होती है? नहीं, अकेला रह गया 0. तो क्या होगा? कंकैटिनेट S. This is your final answer. You can get output question in MCQs in term 1. Then you have to solve the output questions to find the relevant option from the given options. Clear? Online class, am I clear with the working? Yes, Bhavneet, Ruchika, is the working clear? So let us check the output. Check it. Clear? Yes, +2 clear. First output question is clear. All right. So let me move to the second output question. All right. Now this is another output question based on the concept of functions, right? Is the question visible online class? Yes, online class, question is visible. Beta, please give feedback very fast. Okay, A is 45. I make working notes over here. A is 45. Function is defined. Okay. Global A. अगर function block के अंदर, if inside the function block you have used the keyword global in front of the variable name, it does not create any local variable of the same name. Rather, it works directly with the global variable. It works directly with the global variable. अगर मैं यहां पर ग्लोबल कीवर्ड ना लिखता तो ये ए नाम का लोकल वेरिएबल क्रिएट होता. But I have written global. That means it has created a global variable with the name A. Clear? Am I clear to all? Any doubt? Any doubt? So this global keyword has given an indication that this A is global variable. We are working with global variable, not local variable. इस नाम का local create नहीं हुआ. Online class, am I clear with the concept of global? Bhavneet, Ruchika, Anushka, Gaurav, Jagraj, Anshita, Sanvinder. All right. So now A is 45 initially. Function call हुआ. Okay. Global A. First answer. Value of A equal to. Yes. What will be the value of A? 45. A equal to 5. Now tell me, is it local A or global A? Global A, not local A. We have mentioned here global A. हमने global keyword से mention कर दिया है that we are working with the global variable with the same name A. We are not creating any local variable. So global variable has been updated to A. That is 5. Change to 5. Okay. Function finishes. इस function का काम खत्म हो गया. We, after working in the function, after doing your work in the function, we come to the statement from where the function was called. Now tell me answer of this. 5. Mohit says 5. Anybody else? Anybody saying 45? ये function के बाहर आके print हो रही है statement. Anybody says 45? Abhishek says 45. Bhavneet, what are your views? Unmute yourself.
Sir, 5.
5. Okay. Gaurav, your views?
Sir, 45.
45. All right. Lagan Chopra, your views?
Sir, 5.
5. Where is Udit Gandhi? He is absent, not attending the lecture. Okay. The answer will be 5 because global variable has been updated and we will take the updated value of global variable. So 12th class, this is your output. I am telling you that output questions you can get as MCQs. In the coming week test, I'll be putting output question as MCQs so that you solve in the working notes and you find the correct option. Got it? So let us check the output. Check it out. Clear? Yes. Is it clear? All right. Let us go with the next question. All right. Another question based on concept of functions. Okay. Here we have used the while loop. Working notes. Okay. We have called the function cal result and function is having no parameter. Function is having no parameter. Am I clear? All right. So we are in the function block. We have variable I with the value 9. while I more than 1, 9 more than 1, कंडीशन ट्रू। अंदर आ जाइए लूप के। 9 मॉडुलस 2 इक्वल टू 0, नो, so it goes to the else part, it goes to the else part. What is I? 9. I equal to 9 minus 2, 7. So I becomes 7. I has given value to x. I has given value to x. What is x? 7. So 7 to the power 2. 7 to the power 2. 49. So print 49. So first answer is 49. Okay. Your first answer is 49. All right. Now for the next iteration, tell me the value of I. नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जाने के लिए I की वैल्यू क्या है? 7. ये देखो ना, अपडेटेड हुआ पड़ा। बेटे कंसेंट्रेशन रखो, कीप योर फुल अटेंशन ऑन द वर्किंग नोट्स। 7. 7 more than 1, condition true. 7 more than 1, condition is true. 7 modulus 2, 0, no. Again we come to the else part. 7 minus 2 equal to 5. What is I now? 5. I has given value to x. What is x? 5. X to the power 2. 5 to the power 2. 25. What is the next answer? 25. Am I clear? Online class, Bhavneet, Lagan, Ruchika. All right. Moving further, what is I? 5. 5 more than 1, true. 5 modulus 2 not equal to 0. Sorry, 5 modulus 2 equal to 0. Condition fails. Come over here. 5 minus 2, 3. I comes 3. I has given value to x. X becomes 3. 3 raised to power 2, 9. So what is the next answer? 9. We went up 3 more than 1. Condition true. 3 modulus 2 equal to 0. False. Again we come to the else part. 3 minus 2, 1. I becomes 1. I has given value to x. X becomes 1. 1 to the power 2, 1. Okay. 1 more than 1. Loop fail. When loop fails, we come here. Function खत्म हो गया. We come here. यहाँ पे कुछ था ही नहीं प्रिंट करने के लिए. So this is your answer. 45, 25, 9 and 1. Am I clear? Yes, 12th class. Am I clear to all? Let us see the output. Check it out. Clear? All right. Let's proceed to the next output question. Okay. Now, this is the last output question where we have a string with the name earn. X is an empty string. L1 is the empty list. Okay. All right. Count equal to 1 for I in L. Again, like the first question. What is I initially? I is E. I is E. Okay. इफ आई इन अगर आई की वैल्यू इस लिस्ट में से कोई एक वैल्यू है, then this condition will get true and this statement will run. I is E is there, yes, condition goes true. I dot swap case function is used to change the case, if lower upper, if upper lower, and it is to be concatenate with the empty string. What is empty string? X is empty string, so empty string plus capital E, it becomes E, it becomes E. Clear? Any doubt? All right, so coming here, count get increment to 2, count get increment to 2, right? I in L, what is I? A, is A here? और ये हमारा X है, this is our X. Okay, A is here. I dot swap case concatenate with X. What is A swap case? Lower will become upper, it becomes upper A. Count becomes 3, count becomes 3. Go up. I in L, R, I is R, R is there, R is there, no. We come to the else part. 3 modulus 2 not equal to 0, condition true. हम इधर आ गए. अब यहां देखो क्या होना है. What is X? EA. Very good. Offline class, very good. स्ट्रिंग में कन्वर्ट करना है ब्रैकेटेड पोर्शन को. अब ब्रैकेट के अंदर लेंथ फंक्शन है, उसके अंदर ये वाला स्लाइस है, तो पहले हम ये स्लाइस सॉल्व करेंगे. L ब्रैकेट स्टार्टिंग नहीं दिया तो बाय डिफॉल्ट 0. काउंट, व्हाट इज काउंट? व्हाट इज काउंट? 3. स्ट्रिंग क्या थी? EARN. जीरो 1 2 3. 3 तो इंक्लूड होगा नहीं, 0 1 2 आ जाएंगे. 0 1 2 में क्या आ गया? EAR. क्या आ गया? EAR. उसकी लेंथ निकालो. इसकी लेंथ कितनी है? 3. इसकी लेंथ कितनी है? ये सॉल्व हो गया. आंसर क्या आया सारा सॉल्व करके? सारा आंसर बना 3. वी आर टू कन्वर्ट 3 into string, concatenate with, जिसे क्लियर है रेज योर थंब. नहीं समझ आया मनरी? अगेन आई टेल यू, बिगिनिंग इज नॉट देयर, एंडिंग इज देयर. वी आर टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0. एंडिंग इज 3. 3 मतलब 2. एक कम चलता है ना, तो उसके हिसाब से 0 1 2 0 1 2. These 3 characters will come. Find the length of these 3. Length is 3. Okay, this is solved. Length is 3. Answer is 3. Convert into string. 3 becomes of string type. Okay, last. I is N. N is not here. Count was 4. This also falls. Come to the final else. X, what is X? EA3. उसके साथ क्या करना है? Concatenate N. What is N? What is I? Sorry, N. This is the result. Okay. I hope all the output questions are thoroughly clear to everyone. 4 questions I have solved. See the result. Yes, class. Am I clear with all the output questions? Any doubt? Any queries?